Alright, so in today's video, I bring to you a new app, a new update I just recently discovered and is paying. This is an AI app paying you to just talk. So it's literally paying you for your voice. And all you basically have to do is to record sentences and get paid. Very quickly, let me walk you through the registration process. Please note that you will need to get approved to start taking gigs on this app, so make sure you follow everything I'm about to do. And mind you, do not begin anything until you are done watching this video from the beginning to the end. Now let's get started. To begin, you will need an important link. Please make use of this link. I'll be leaving it in the description and comment section of this video, the first pinned comment below. Do well to click on it and then go ahead to download the app. The name of the app is Pillar App, but just like I said, follow my instructions and make use of the link that I provide in this video. Alright, so after downloading the app, you sign up, you put in your email, insert your preferred password, and then you confirm your password again in the next column, and after which you input this invite code. Don't forget to input this invite code, just copy it and paste it so you can get approved, and I can also get to earn something for referring you to the app. Alright, so just click on allow for it to send you notifications, and then this next step is a very important step. They want you to put in your signature here. So in this black space, just draw your signature there, and once you're done, just click on submit. It's not too difficult. You can even clear it and then rewrite your signature. Okay, so once you're done, the next thing for you to do is to create your profile. So here you're given the opportunity to put in your name, display names, your state, ancestry, and then gender. So write your full name. Your display name is just like your username. And then for this place that says state, please do not choose any other state than Florida. So yes, you will need a VPN to be able to download this app in the first place. Okay, so get a VPN, connect to United States, and then download the app through the link. Then when you're registering, please click on Florida, not Alaska. Click on Florida. Now where it says select ancestry, pick East African. Yes, just like I said, follow my instructions. So the state Florida, the ancestry East African. If you would like to connect to the VPN I'm using in particular, you can just reach out to me in the comment section. I will then link you up. All right, so that's just it. You use the link to download the app immediately after you have connected your VPN to US. So yeah, now what's your gender? Your gender, it's if it's male, just put male. If it is female, put female. So once you're done, you've confirmed everything, you click on save and continue. Alright, so the next thing for you to do is to answer these questions. So what is your age range? Just pick your age range. Are you from between the ages of 0 to 17, 18 to 44, 45 to 64? Just choose your age range. Now, what is your profession? For example, are you a teacher? Are you a doctor? Just put your profession there. For me, I'm a student. I'm just going to put a student there. Do you get? But if you are any other thing, you know your occupation now. Just choose what's right for you. And they're also going to ask you for your level of education. I'm still in my undergraduate degree. I'm not done yet, so I'll just choose that. Do you get? So, and now the language, English, obviously. I told you are recording sentences, so it's English. Now, how did you learn English? You can say from class, you can put native. For me, I would like to say native. And that place that said, do you have any impact with your voice? Please click not applicable, just as you can see. Now they're asking you for your skin tone. You know your skin color. Any color here that um you know um is your skin color. Just click on it, and then when you're done, click on done. So that's basically what this means. Alright, now this is just a little tutorial. You can just click on the arrow by the right to skip to the next. Now click on get started. Voila, you're now in the tax dashboard. Okay, so pay very close attention to these. These are the tax you'll be doing, and you'll be paid $1 per each tax you are able to complete. So now, but before you are able to even do this one, as you can see, you have to complete the baseline project, which is the number one task given to you. There's no payment for that. It's just like a practice test. If you're very familiar with surveys and their practice tests, so you're going to read 10 sentences, all right, and then when you're done, you submit it. Okay, make sure you're not in a noisy environment too. So that is the practice test you have to pass first, get the approval mail before you can then start. You can continue with other ones that you see there to get $1. So now you're going to read this. Regular checkups can prevent serious health complications. Anything you see there, when you're ready to read, you can click on the tap to record button. That's how it works. You click on the tap to record button, you read it, whatever you see there written on your screen, and then if you want to listen to it again, you can listen to it. If you want to redo it, maybe you don't like the way you sounded after listening to it, you can click on redo and then record again. Once you are done, you click on next. You keep going like that. Read the sentences that you have there naturally. You don't have to form any accent, please, because they will, it's AI. It's going to tell if there's a change. So continue reading the sentences that you have. Remember, this is the practice test, so you're not going to get paid for this. So once you're done up to 10 sentences, click on submit, and then it's going to show you this. You can then return to your dashboard. Check your email. Did you get the email? Congratulations, you can now, you've been approved to take gigs. Then congratulations, you can now continue with the remaining tasks that you have here on your dashboard. The first one says read 10 sentences, the second one is 10 sentences, on and on like that. Make sure you complete everything. When you complete everything here, I think you're going to get up to $10 or above. So if you would like to earn more on this platform, you can go ahead to click on this third interface here. The first interface shows you your profile. Okay, the second one shows you the tax available, while the third interface below shows you where you can get your unique referral link and your referral code. You can even see how many people you referred. So if you can refer people to join this platform, you will get paid $5 per person that you refer, as long as they you know register and then complete their tasks. So the first interface here shows you your profile. As you can see here, you can see my email and you can also see my name. One thing you need to know is that the email you are going to use to create your account should be an email connected to a PayPal account, because they pay into PayPal. All right, just as you saw in the first screenshot I showed to you guys, the withdrawal proof, it was sent to a PayPal account. So do not use an email that is linked to a PayPal account that has been banned, although you are given the opportunity to update it according to what I heard about it. So you can actually update profile and then update your payout information. So if you want to withdraw, you can put your PayPal email here, but just make sure that you're using an entirely new email, just in case you want to create your PayPal account. You can now use that email to create a PayPal account and then you can withdraw into it. Or you're using an email that you have already used to create a PayPal account that is currently working, that is functioning, which you use to carry out a withdrawal. So please don't go and use the wrong email. All right, so that's by the way. Payments on from this platform are always done on Mondays, so you should expect to get paid on Mondays, every Mondays. All right, as long as all the tasks that you did are being approved. Do you get? For those of you who do not have a PayPal account, please check my older video. I already made a video showing you how you can create a PayPal account. Get one. See, in fact, if you want to make money online and you don't have a PayPal account, you are wrong. One of the things you should have, or you should possess, as someone who is willing to hustle online, is a PayPal account or any other withdrawal channels that are popular, the cryptocurrency and the likes. Those are withdrawal channels and they are very important. I'll advise you to get your own withdrawal accounts. Okay, it's very, very important. So I think that's just basically it. All the tasks you've been able to complete, or you've been able to attempt, you can find them in this area that says completed. So as you can see, I've done my baseline project, I've done the acne tax and the muscle pain tax, and that's a total of $2. So whenever I'm free, I'll come back to complete the rest. Please, if at all at this point you have any questions for me, or you have, let's say, a contribution, something contrary to questions, you just have something to say about this platform, please let us know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, please do not hesitate to leave a like on this video, subscribe to the channel if you're new and you would like to, you like more content like this. Let me know how this app goes. Okay, everyone that tries this, let me know how it goes. And when you get paid, please don't hesitate to share with us in the comment section. Always come back to this video to share with us. We are one. All right, don't keep any info from us away from us, and we can't know it all. All right, so thank you so much for watching today's video, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye for now.